Social media marketing is essential for auto repair shops in Denver, CO, as it helps increase visibility and attract local customers. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow businesses to showcase their services, share customer testimonials, and promote special offers to a targeted audience. Engaging with the community through social media builds trust and strengthens relationships. Regular posts, responding to inquiries, and sharing valuable tips establish credibility, positioning your shop as a go-to resource for auto repair needs.